Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can contact support on Shop app. So you simply need to open any browser. You can do that in your smartphone and on PC as well. You simply need to search for Shop app support and hit enter, and you need to first click on the first website, that is contact. So once you click on that, here you can see that if you can't find what you are looking for, complete this contact form and a support specialist will reach out. So you simply need to add your full name, your email address, your phone number, your topic that you want. So let's suppose I want to your account, some account issue. Here you need to complete your message, check mark I am not a robot, and click on get in touch, and then you will get support from shop customer support specialist. So this is the process how you can contact support on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.